guys, today we are back with another video, but our house literally just got robbed, and I'm doing this. Don't know why, but I'm gonna check around the bushes for something interesting, or something, for like evidence or something, so we're gonna check some bushes. Wait, what's that? What's that white thing? No fucking way. Whoa. I found a murder. Not a murder. What am I doing? Well, I found a weapon. Don't know why. Get up the mag. Well, of course, it's a freaking BB gun. Here you go, guys. So if you see closely, look at it. It's a BB gun. And many guns. Many handles don't come off of guns. And the things don't come out of cartridges. And a mag, guys. Try to drop the mag. A gun doesn't come apart like this, and a mag doesn't look like this. So I know I already have one. And that's all I have to say for this video, and peace out.